All right, my friend, welcome to the blackbizsuccess.com channel. And today we're going to talk about how to add a custom domain name to your website or sales funnel that you've built on the Black Biz Success app. So let's get to it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. If you don't know me, I am Cortez Hustle, founder of Thornton Online Marketing, home of the Black Bear Success app, the premier sales and marketing app specifically designed for solopreneurs, small businesses, and influencers. We're talking coaches, consultants, we're talking authors. If you're in a service-based business, this is definitely the app you want to be building your digital marketing assets on. And today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how, once you've built your website or sales funnel on the Black Biz Success app, you want to add a custom domain to it. So I'm going to share my screen and show you exactly how we go about doing that. So I'm going to hit share. Bang. So right now we are at the place inside the Black Biz Success app where I get to add a new domain. So I'm going to hit plus domain. Now it tells me that I need to go to my domain registrar and make sure that I have a record pointing to this IP address. So I'm going to copy this IP address. And then I'm going to jump over to GoDaddy, which I have the domain that I already own, that I'm going to actually, let me see. I want to do this. Connect to domains I have built. All right, let me refresh because I want to make sure that these name servers are pointing to the GoDaddy name servers. There they are. So now they are. So now if I go into my DNS manager, I can see all of my records. Right now I have an A record, which is parked. So it's not pointing anywhere. So what I want to do is I have two choices. I can either add an A name record, or I can edit an A name record that already exists. So in this case, I'm going to edit the record that already exists. If I go back to here, it says I need to make sure to have either an A record pointing to this domain or a C name record pointing to this website or this IP address or pointing to this website. So I'm going to go with the A name pointing to the IP address. So I'm going to remove parked. I put in the IP address. And then I'm going to change this from custom to a half hour. Hopefully it propagates faster. And then I'm going to hit save. All right. Now, if you look at the site that I'm using, this is my website for personalbranding365.com. I'm actually launching a brand new or relaunching my personal branding course, but I've rebuilt the funnel inside the Black Biz Success app. So I'm going to jump over here, and now I'm going to go ahead and put in personal branding365.com, and I'm going to hit add. Now it propagated fast enough, so it's added. Now it wants me to associate the domain with a funnel first, and then a particular page in the funnel. So I'm going to go to personal branding 365 as the funnel, and then what page do I want this domain to be attached to? I want it to be attached to the home page, and I hit link domain, and that domain is linking. The other thing that I want to do is I also want to add a subdomain to make sure that the www also points to the same funnel. So this time I'm going to go and add domain. This time it says I can use a CNAME record pointing to this URL. So I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to go back to GoDaddy. Now that I'm in GoDaddy, I'm going to see if do I already have a CNAME record that I can update, or do I want to add one? I have a CNAME record already pointing to the www right here. So I'm going to edit that one. I'm going to take away this domain, and I'm going to go ahead and paste in the domain that I want it to point to. I'm going to change it to half hour to hopefully it propagates faster. And then I'm going to hit save. All right. So now that it has saved, now I go back to the Black Biz Success app, I'm going to this time type in www.personalbranding365.com, and I'm going to add it. Hopefully it's propagated. Now, if you run into this where it says it can't be found, that just means it's taking your domain registrar a little bit longer to propagate. So I'm going to do the same thing. I want the www to also go to the Personal Branding 365 funnel. I want it to also go to the Personal Branding 365 homepage. I'm going to link the domain. And now let's go and test and see if it already exists. So if I go to personalbranding365.com, let's see if it's already connected. All right, so it says not connected yet. Actually, the the Blackbeard Success app is building my SSL certificate. So right now I can't get to it, but just know that all of our websites that you build on the Blackbeard Success app do come with the SSL certificate. So in a few minutes, I'll be able to go back and add that or go back and check, and you'll see that it will be https://personalbranding365.com. So lots of entrepreneurs are starting to migrate over to the Blackbeard Success app because it's more than just a web builder. It is the entire system that you can run your whole business from, including your business phone number, your calendar app, your, of course, sales funnels, your forms, your surveys. It is your CRM. It is your pipeline builder. It is everything all under one roof. So hopefully you enjoyed this short tutorial. If you have a asset on the Blackbeard Success app, this is how you add both the domain and the subdomain to your site. Till next time, get your money up because you absolutely can do it. But more importantly, you deserve to do it, each and every single one of you. Now hustle up.